A well-known businessman in Montego Bay, St. James, was murdered early this morning. The victim has been identified as 54-year-old Andrew Chin, also known as Andy. TVJ News understands that Mr. Chin was the owner of a cash pot shop on Church Street. According to reports, about 4 o'clock, a passerby saw Mr. Chin lying on his back adjacent to his business place with a hat over his face. The Barney Street police were alerted. It was later discovered that he had what appeared to be bullet wounds. Reports are that Mr. Chin was held at gunpoint and taken to his house, which was searched by his attacker. He was later brought to his business place, where a safe, his firearm and vehicle were stolen. Employees of Mr. Chin say they are distraught over the killing.
5 o'clock. My mother have 12 o'clock shift today. She would have opened. Even when I get the car, I couldn't even process it. I have to get a couple cars first for really know some boss and kill. I come down same time.
The businessman's murder in Montego Bay this morning has raised concerns that gangsters are disregarding the state of public emergency imposed in that parish.